Surprise! Welcome to the city of magic, Florianópolis, Santa Catarina, Brazil, a city teeming with over 490,000 people. Can you imagine? Fact 1. This city is an island paradise with 42 beaches, a surfer's dream. Fact 2. The local cuisine is mouth-watering, especially the seafood. Fact 3. Floripa, as it's affectionately known, is home to the traditional Bois de Mamão dance. It's vibrant, it's energetic, it's Brazilian culture at its finest. Now brace yourself for the weird. Fact 1. Floripa is rumored to be a UFO hotspot. Fact 2, they have a reef made of clamshells. Yes, you heard right, clamshells. Fact 3, it's home to a sand dune called Joaquina, where sandboarding is a popular sport. Now isn't that a wild ride? For more intriguing facts and stories, follow me on Instagram at Mr.Gurgels. Come, join the adventure.